Hey YouTubers, this is old John. I just finished washing underneath my L130 John Deere mower, and I jacked it up with my jacking device here, but I got it for about $95. I've done a video on it on using it, and I'll put that here on the page. But I basically came down on my patio and jacked it up and then sprayed it out the underneath of my deck with water. I did a light coating of white paint after I replaced the blades last time, but cleaned it up pretty well. I don't have the attachment on my deck where you can attach your hose and spray, but I've heard they don't work that well anyway. But this is my lift, and it has two different positions depending on how wide your unit is. You can move this out for a wider base. Here's the foot pedal to keep it from falling. You can lock it there. I'm going to release it. Turn this knob here. This is about the only way I've seen to get it down pretty easily. Like so. And these are nice. It goes right off like that. Or you can drive it or just push it on like that. This handle comes off, that's handy. Turn the pressure on. This T-handle here, and you can even use this to turn it. You basically just pump it up. The tractor will slide backwards some as you pump it because it's going up on an angle, so it has to move backwards. It's really that simple. Nothing to take the pressure off of the foot brake. And take it all the way down. Come off with these knobs here. Like that, say they're adjustable for a wider mower. Just come out like that. Here's how I store my Pro Lift. I just lift up the deck here just a little bit and then slide it under. It has nice little wheels. And I take off the handle and the two tire lifting devices and lay them right there. And it makes for a nice compact storage. This unit is the T-5335A. It has a capacity of 350 pounds and it will lift to 23 inches. And it's the Pro Lift lawnmower lift unit. So, if you like this video, YouTubers, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want. I have lots of John Deere videos and other do-it-yourself videos. Old John, signing off.